Hey, what's up, guys? So today we've got big news. CapCut just dropped their brand new AI video maker, and trust me, guys, this is not just another video editing feature. This is something totally next level. Let's dive into details. But first, how do you download it? Download CapCut for PC via the link in the description, install and run it, then click Start with the script. There you go. Now let's dive in. So this is AI Video Maker, and trust me guys, this is something totally game changer. If you're a content creator, marketer, teacher, or even just someone messing around with video ideas, you're gonna love it. Let me quickly explain what it is, and then we will do a live demonstration tutorial showing how it works. All right, quick heads up guys, if you've ever used CapCut before, you know it's already one of the best free editing platforms out there. But now they've taken it to a whole new level with this AI-powered upgrade. Try it now, click the link in the description. That's right, you don't even need to install anything. And yes, Mac users, you can totally use the web version too. So what is this new AI Video Maker? Basically, it's an all-in-one creative assistant. You just enter a simple idea, and in a couple of minutes, it generates an entire video. I'm talking script, visuals, avatar, voiceover, music, subtitles, everything. It literally takes you from idea to finished video in one smooth ride. And the speed is wild. A full 1-minute video takes just 1 to 3 minutes to render. Compare that with most editing software where you spend half an hour just syncing audio. This is a massive upgrade in efficiency. Now let's talk features, and there's a lot to cover. First off, the avatar video system. CapCut gives you access to over 100 digital avatars, everything from formal and professional to relaxed and casual. Want to go next level? Upload a short video of yourself and boom. CapCut will clone your avatar so you can make your own digital spokesperson, your voice, your style. Then we've got the AI workflow templates. These are perfect if you're not a pro editor or just want to save time. There are over 30 ready-to-go templates for things like tutorials, news recaps, motivational content, education, and storytelling. You just pick the one that fits your project, paste your text in, and the AI does the rest. It really lowers the barrier for anyone trying to create high-quality content fast. Feature number 3, instant AI videos. Pick one of 30+ visual styles, type your script, hit generate, and boom. CapCut builds your video instantly. It handles pacing, visuals, and voiceover, and even adds background music if you want it. All of it customizable, but honestly, most of the time it just nails it on the first try. And finally, there's Brainstorm with AI. This one's underrated, but super useful. Not sure what content to make? This tool gives you video topic ideas, outlines, even storyboard suggestions. You know, it's like having a creative assistant in your pocket. Now, to keep it real, there are a couple things to note. If you're someone who loves 100% manual control over every frame, this might feel a bit too automated, but for most people, especially beginners or those working with tight deadlines, it's a total lifesaver. So whether you're a student making an educational clip, a business owner building marketing content, or just having fun on social media, CapCut's AI tool has something for you. It's simple, powerful, and totally free to start. If you want to try it out, hit the link right at the top of the description. That'll take you straight to the CapCut AI Creator page. Use the link in the description to start. As for Mac users, you are welcome to. Simply visit the webpage through the description link for early access. Now, let me do a live demonstration making a promo video for an imaginary brand of the new next generation VR goggles. Let's go. Click Start New Project and now type your script idea. We are going to promote imaginary brand of VR goggles. NeoVision XR redefines what VR feels like. Ultra crisp visuals, full room freedom, and seamless motion turn every moment into something unreal. Whether you're gaming, training, or just escaping, this is reality leveled up. Next, we need to upload your media, guys. You can also generate the media with AI in case you don't have it ready. Once media is uploaded, the system will automatically add it and match to your script. How cool is that? All on autopilot. Now we just need to choose the matching voice.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
For example, I am using an excited man voice. Next, click Edit More and we get into more detailed platform, letting us do some extra adjustments. Here, I can drag and drop more media if you want to, the timeline like in a usual CapCut editor. You know the drill. Let me speed this up for you. It took me less than 5 minutes. Next, I don't like the caption style, so here we can use the templates to make our captions more beautiful. Next, guys, let's add a matching music and make sure it's not longer than the clip. Finally, add some trendy effects, transitions, and the filters. And finally, export and enjoy our ready-to-go VR goggles promo.
NeoVision XR redefines what VR feels like. Ultra-crisp visuals, full room freedom, and seamless motion turn every moment into something unreal. Whether you're gaming, training, or just escaping, this is reality, leveled up.
I love how it turned out, guys. Next, let's make a TikTok version using the AI avatar feature. First, choose the avatar and add your script. Wow, they have so many, guys, hard to choose. Let me know in the comments which avatars you like. I think I will choose a geeky tech guy. He might look good with VR goggles promotion. Next, click create and it will do its magic. Less than a minute and it's done. Looks good, but I'd love to customize it even more. Click edit more and we get into a detailed editor again. Here we can do our final adjustments again. Let me speed up and you see what I do. Again, we reposition background media properly to match our avatar. Then we adjust our subtitles, put some final touches using the filters and effects, and add some music. When you are happy how it looks, export everything. Our TikTok is ready. Here's the final result.
Hey everyone, today I'm diving into NeoVision XR. The VR goggles so immersive, even the Mona Lisa would crack a smile. Clean design, razor sharp visuals, total freedom. Let's jump in.
Looks great. If you want to try it out, hit the link right at the top of the description. That'll take you straight to the CapCut AI creator page. Use the link in the description to start. As for Mac users, you are welcome too. Simply visit the webpage through the description link for early access.
For those who prefer shooting quick videos on their phones and doing simple edits, here's a look at the mobile app's editing interface. The best part is the app enables on-the-go creativity for you.
That's all for today, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.